What's good? It's your brother Promo Black. I know living in a system can be real whack, so I'm gonna give you the tax so you know how to react. This is Homestead with Promo Black. Today is the day. These chickens have to go. They've been in my house a little over 2 months. We got them on I want to say May 14th, 15th this year, and now it's July 19th. So they've been here a little over 2 months. First month they're in the tote. Second month we put them in a tent, but now they're teenage status. Their feathers have grown in enough for them to be able to deal with the summer heat. They're not going to be cold, so that's not an issue. That's why they're also going outside. So today I just wanted to bring you guys along as we transition this new flock of chickens into our chicken run so they can be introduced and get familiar with our other flock of chickens. Oh,
I got you. No, I got the chicken.
no, my big chickens like them. Let's see if they like this apple. Maybe not yet. So as I stated to you guys, we're very serious about reduce, reuse, recycle. In this case, we use pine shavings. This is pine shavings and some, I guess, some leftover chicken feed from the baby chicks. And we figured we would use this to try to help stimulate the soil on the land. So that way, with all the little fecal matter and their urine, it'll help stimulate the soil. And so that's why we got these chicks, the big chickens, going through it, siphoning through it. They like to, it's good for, like, it's like exercise for them when they siphon through and scrape through things. So they're adjusting well. This will help them get used to the smell of the baby chicks as well. They seem to be adjusting well. We'll monitor them throughout the day as it gets a little warmer, as it gets a little hotter. And there you have it. This is our new flock. New flock beats the surviving 7. And there you have it. This is us transitioning our baby chicks outside to be with our surviving 7 from our previous flock. Have my daughter with me as we're setting up this YouTube. I appreciate you guys and all your support. Please like and subscribe and share. Peace.